वाक्चेष्टा वकोध्यानं स्वाननिद्रा तथैव च अल्पाहारी गृहत्यागी विद्यार्थियं पंचलक्षणम्.
Hello young physics learner, welcome back to my class. This is Bhavna Physics class and I am Bhavna to interact with you today. Not related to the study material, I'm just interacting you with the new year resolution and the plan. Yes, today is the very first day of year 2021. First of all, I wish you a very happy and successful new year to you. But before that, you should plan, and this is the very first day, so there is no need to study anything. Just to analyze yourself, just to study yourself, plan according to the date sheet and examination. You know that date sheet has come for class 12th as well as class 10th examination, and now your only whole sole target is to focus over the strategy that is only made by you, your own strategy, your own hard work that will lead to the success in this year. There was so much hassle and disturbance in the last year, and you can see the date sheet, the date of board examination that is started from 4th of May. So you have sufficient time to practice yourself, to practice on different topics. You know about the marking scheme, you know about the importance of each and every topic given in physics subject. So what you have to do, plan yourself accordingly. Decide the days for each topic, then how many topics you can cover in how many days. So that is the target. And being a student, your whole soul strategy should be based on only one Sanskrit shlok, because we are Indian and we believe on Indian culture. This may be somewhat old fashioned to you, but it is the base of Indian society and Indian mindset that kakchesta vakodhyanam swananidra tathavcha alpahari grihatyagi vidyarthiyam pankshalakshanam. Means आपकी चेष्टा कौवे जैसी होनी चाहिए. आप बहुत अलर्ट, बहुत ही अटेंटिव होने चाहिए अपनी इन्फॉर्मेशन, अपने से रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए. वकोध्यानम यानी आपका फोकस स्टडीज़ या किसी जिस चीज़ को आप कर रहे हो उस चीज़ में आपका फोकस एकदम इतना ध्यानमग्न होना चाहिए, इतना फोकस्ड होना चाहिए आपको, जैसे बगुले का होता है, जैसे एक वक का होता है. वक मीन्स बगुला. एंड थर्ड थिंग इज श्वान निद्रा. श्वान मीन्स होता है डॉग, कुत्ता. एक डॉग की नींद जो होती है बहुत ही अलर्ट होता है. डॉग नींद में भी अगर जरा सा भी साउंड होता है तो वो तुरंत की तुरंत जग जाता है. तो सेम थिंग इज़ विद यू, दैट यू मस्ट बी अलर्ट, सो मच अलर्ट. सो you must be focused, you must be alert, and you must be attentive. Okay, and the fourth thing, alpahari, you should eat less so that your body should be energetic, your body should be active, and you can do all your deeds you decided for one day or 1 month or many days. Okay, and the last thing is गृह त्यागी. गृह त्यागी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है जो आजकल के बच्चे बिल्कुल नहीं कर पाते हैं. जब आप पढ़ने चलते हो, आपका ध्यान घर की सारी चीज़ों में होता है या फ्रेंड्स की सारी एक्टिविटीज़ में होता है या इंटरनेट की सारी एक्टिविटीज़ में होता है. यू शुड लीव ऑल दैट एक्टिविटीज़ वाइल यू आर डूइंग स्टडी. सो इफ़ यू आर ए स्टूडेंट एंड you have been involved in preparation of different competitive examination or board examination, you must be very focused, attentive, alert, very energetic, and that is very resolved from the disturbance factor around yourself. तो अगर आप ये 5 क्वालिटी अपने आप में गेन कर सकते हैं तो no one is here to disturb you from your success. You will achieve the success, that is that sure thing. So my expectation, being a teacher, being a mentor, my expectation to you to follow these rules, follow this Sanskrit shlok and the meaning of it in your life, and you will achieve success definitely in the year 2021. So best of luck to this year. I will come with the new lecture in semiconductor physics and you will enjoy the class. So thank you and be focused, do study.